got somebody over there too. So I'm kind of looking for a spot maybe I can like tie off to, find some shade. I mean, it's not too terribly hot, but if I tie the boat up, at least I won't have to deal with it going right to left all the time. There's something down here in the water. Not sure what it is. All the way down there. If you can, probably can't see it with this little ass cheap GoPro. Which we're going to rectify that subject after today because the battery only lasts for an hour. Yeah, not the best idea in the world for myself. So we're going to be going to my phone here soon, which means I can't videotape when I'm catching fish because I don't have a stand for my phone. I'm going to try to save this battery as much as possible, so I'll talk to you later. Just want to let you guys have a look at this beautiful ass place. See ya. Well, here we are. Got a couple other people here fishing with us way over there in that slough over there, but we've got some tight lines out just for shits and grins. Just using some night crawlers and stuff, nothing major. But I absolutely love this time of year. Just hopefully you can pick it up with the camera, but the colors around us are just absolutely beautiful. The only thing I'm really missing is I would have liked my wife to come join me today. But we have the little 14-footer out. She's not doing too bad. We'll end up redoing it this summer again. Hopefully I can get a fish on the line before my camera completely runs dead. The big camera, it's just not working anymore. So I'm back to the old days of using my phone and my little GoPro. But I'll get back with you guys. Like I said, I'll turn you back on when we get a fish. Hopefully I get one. See ya. Hope you guys can see okay, but we got one. Maybe a pan size. He hit pretty good. He's probably a cat. Oh, the other pole's giving me some sign of life too. Shit. Well, he's coming right to the boat. And the bad thing is, guys, I left my net at home. We gotta keep him away from the anchor line. Oh, he's gonna surface in a minute, guys. Wait for it. Oh, it is a catfish. Oh, he's swimming down. Alrighty. Oh, he says I still got some fight in me. This is a bullhead. Not bad size. I think it's a bullhead, or it might be a channel. Got you good, didn't I? Open up. Hey. Not bad. Not bad. Hopefully you guys can see it. Keep hand size. Do believe that is a bullhead. I think. Alright, so this is not the best idea for a live well. Alright, we've got fish number 1 off a tight line. I hope that got up on the video good. Alright guys, we got something. He's got some weight to him. Oh, stay away from my anchor rope. Stay away from the anchor rope. Oh, he's almost to the top. Oh, got us another cat. Let's bring him over. Guess we can get him right here. I just don't like him near the anchor rope. Oh, did you swallow my hook? Easy. In the boat we go. Easy now, boy. Oh. You guys see? They're fat guys. But they're bullheads. He's got that hook pretty far down too. Let's see, might be a gut shot. Not a bad guy. Makes 2. Not big uns. We're in it. Howdy, howdy, howdy guys, we're back. So we got 3 in the basket. They're all catfish, of course. About all I ever go for. And the guys left this section back here, and I kind of want to see, you know, where this all goes and everything. We are running short on time, but I love this area back here. Really nice looking. It's my favorite time of year when the leaves start to change colors and everything just goes to that beautifulness. How's that for a word? I don't know if you'll be able to hear me talking with this GoPro. It is not a very good GoPro. It has a lot of issues. One, the battery does not last very long. And you can't swap battery or anything like that. It's, I imagine, a lithium battery. But I'll tell you what, she just keeps going. I think I would like to get a bigger trolling motor so I can go a little faster. We're maxed out right now and we're still moving pretty good. But I think I'd sooner have a bigger one. Trying to see where we go to here. If this is like a creek or what this is. You know, the temperature is starting to get up there a little bit, but it's not terrible. The water's still pretty cold. Oh, look, it just keeps on going and going, doesn't it? The right side of the bank up here looks relatively shallow. But I want to go all the way back here and see what's back here. I'll drop an anchor down in a little bit and see what the depth is. Because I still haven't sprinted to buy. Look over here. A depth finder and stuff. So I'll bring you back after I'm finished exploring. I don't want 40 minutes of me just trolling around. I'll bring you guys back. Takes a while when you're only going like 1 mile an hour. I think we need to buy a 65-pound thrust. Get a little faster. It is absolutely beautiful out here, I will tell you that much. Stay towards the middle here. I think this is kind of a shallow spot. See a lot of stuff in the water over there. Alright guys, here's my catch for the day. We are running out of time for our fishies. And I don't really have time to clean them or nothing. They're nothing spectacular. They're all about probably about a pound or so. There he goes. But I'm not going to cook and clean these guys. Today was a really nice day. We're going to let them be born free. Check this out. Watch him go. Watch him go and watch him go and watch him go. Last guy. Ooh, asshole almost got me with a fin. But we went all the way back to the back section of this pond, and this pond's huge. But we're hitting 11 o'clock, and I still gotta go get a lawnmower. So I guess we're gonna call it a day and get out of here. So Bushcraft Rebel, signing off. Just remember, if you can get outside for at least 10 minutes a day, you're still doing good.